dream I know deep up my feelings for you.
Hello my wonderful people, welcome back to my wonderful channel Reality Latest Gist. Today giving a back-to-back update and information as today hot. My people, Jared Tinubu, the APC chairman in Edo State, has been formally warned of impending legal action by Dr. RI0US, the governorship candidate of People Democratic Party. Hey, my people, don't be small wala over allegation of defamation. Hey, my people, you don't state. But before I go bring the main story, I go like welcome those with the journalists of today wonderful news for the first time. And all our amazing subscribers and viewers, I thank you now well for joining us on today's wonderful news. But if you haven't subscribed to our YouTube page yet, please do us forward to like and subscribe and also share. But don't forget to turn the notification bell to get notified whenever we drop a video, because I'm sure you don't want to miss out the trend and latest news happening on Reality Latest Gist. Alright, my people, let's dive into the main gist. My people, Jared Tinubu, the chairman of the All Progressive Congress in Edo State, has been formally warned of impending legal action by Dr. RI0US, the People's Democratic Party gubernatorial candidate, over allegation of defamation. The letter before action dispatched by the legal firm RI0US accusing Jared Tinubu of making false and damaging statements in a widely circulated video. So RI0US demand a public retraction. My people, hold on, no waste time for that one. Oh. The reason why RI0US send that message to Jared Tinubu now, when Jared Tinubu want defend Mondo Obolo after Mondo Obolo don't face public backlash for stumbling over budget figure during the presentation of 2025 appropriation bill to the State House of Assembly on Tuesday. So Jared Tinubu further claimed that the incident inflated Mondo Obolo integrity, contrasting him with the past leaders in Edo State. He said this is how to know original or innocent people. That Mondo Obolo is not a thief, so he's not familiar with figures. Hey, my people don't be so wala. He said basically we make such mistake because he has stolen billions before. He said RI0US will not make such mistake because he has stolen billions before. So the letter wey be say RI0US don send to Jared Tinubu, it described the remarks as baseless and defamatory. So he can insist say Jared Tinubu must within 7 days issue a full retraction, a public apology, and assurance that no further defamatory comments will be made. Hey, my people, don't be so wild. The defamation warning from RI0US comes amid a highly contentious post-election atmosphere. The PDP flag bearer, known as a lawyer and corporate leader, emphasized in his letter that Jared Tinubu's baseless allegations have caused significant reputational harm and personal distress. So, my people, the letter will be said they don't say and give Jared Tinubu through RI0US lawyer. If they talk, say their client was the flag bearer of People Democratic Party in the recently concluded Edo State gubernatorial election, the outcome of which is currently the subject of judicial proceeding. So the client has not been charged with the offense of stealing or any other offense for that matter in Nigeria or elsewhere. Neither has he been convicted of stealing or any offenses at all in Nigeria or elsewhere. So it is difficult to understand why their client's name should feature in what appears to be Jared Tinubu's attempt to respond to the public outcry arising from a nationally televised presentation of the 2025 appropriation bill by Edo State Governor to the Edo State House of Assembly. So right now, they can infer that the primary objective of procuring the publication of the defamatory video was to tarnish their client's reputation. That since the publication of the defamatory video, their client has received numerous calls from professional colleagues, business partners, and other well-meaning Nigerians locally and in the diaspora, inquiring as to the property of the allegations. Undoubtedly, this development has exposed RI0US to great distress, hurt, and humiliation. Now make they say they give Jared Tinubu 7 good days. Say make him retract that statement, and he has to do it in public. Why people don't be small wallow? Why people, so many people don't react to that video where Jared Tinubu do? To the point where we say 2 days ago, me don't come back to contact. Say at this point where we saying don't they make sense, so and everybody they overlook them. Point about the quality of people that the APC they parade. They say people they make mistake because everybody be humans. But make Jared Tinubu no insult the intelligence of the people who are more intelligent than him by saying that Mondo Obolo cannot read the budget proposal figures because he has not stolen billions of naira. Now, for his information, that RI0US intelligent pass Mondo Bobolo. And thank God say Asiholo don't write to Jared Tenebe through a law firm asking for retraction within 7 days or else. Jared Tenebe should be ready to face the court to prove how Asiholo has stolen billions of naira. That he also expects the former governor Obaseki to sue Jared Tenebe as well. And when they sue him and he is declared bankrupt, then people will learn how to talk in public. Because it's so pathetic and a no-brainer to say that Obaseki and Ihoda will not make mistake in reading budget proposal figures because they have stolen billions of naira. So that's what we said. It just shows the quality of people that the APC parade in Edo State. It's so bad. And he said he feels sorry for Edo people for the next few months that this man will occupy that seat. But may they don't worry, that Asiodalo is coming and he will make things right again. So he said right now he don't want to dwell on Mondo Bobolo's inability to read those figures. That's he said before. He said he blamed those who be say where they around him will fail to prepare Mondo Bobolo. But he's looking at the fundamental issue, which is the 25% increase and where he intended to get money to fund it. Not the mistake he made while presenting the budget. Maybe he didn't sleep well. His APC people didn't allow him to sleep. So it happens. The Mondo Bobolo is saying agriculture is one of his priorities. Meanwhile, he allocated a sum of 4.5 billion to his sector. So there seems to be no alignment with his thoughts, the budget proposal and how it was presented. All this again speaks to the fact that the people surrounding Mondo Bobolo need to up their games for the few months they can occupy that seat, because he know fully well say 1000% that Asiodalo will never make such a mistake. He says so because he knows Asiodalo and he knows the stuff he's made of. He will never make such a mistake because they have a strong team around him. He would have gone through that budget proposal page to page, back to back, before presenting it. He would never go to the House of Assembly without making sure that they got all the figures right, and he will have told the source of the increase in that appropriation bill to the House of Assembly, why he is increasing it, for what purpose, and where the revenue are going to come from. But APC no even do like that. Rather, they come online, they back Mondo Bobolo for the mistake we make. They insult people join. So that one will be the main cocoa. But the main cocoa now we see they don't give Jared Tenebe 7 days for a retraction, or else he should be ready to face the court to prove how Asiodalo and Obaseki stole billions of naira. And did they wait for Obaseki to sue him as well, so that Jared Tenebe don't go bankrupt? Then others will learn how to talk in public. But you know, surprise though. See, all these things shows the quality of people will be say APC they parade for those states. Maybe they can say now the people will be say they don't service talk in public. They feel sorry for APC. And they feel sorry for Edo people as well, because they don't know waiting day for them. So I would like me to chook mouth for this matter. Me to tell me what you feel, what you think for this matter in our comment section. Once again, thank you so much for staying to us. On this note, we have come to the end of today's segment. Like, comment next. Bye for now.